Hey everyone, so I got a little something to drive, short term. It's until it sells, but I did choose this car myself, and we're gonna take this one for a ride and see what we can do. Check it out. There it is. Let me turn the camera around and give you the full show. All right, so I'm lucky enough to get to test drive for a little bit this bad boy. And we're gonna take it out and see what it can do. Sorry for the wind today. I don't have a windsock for my mic, but so it might be a little windy on the video. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna get this thing out. Tires are pretty bald. But it's still, this thing still rips. It's a nice day today, believe it or not, even though it's not sunny. It's warmer. And these are summer tires. That's all that matters, that right there, P100D. The other badge was missing a letter because they did a full PPF wrap on this car. And I guess when they stuck it back on, I think you can, I don't know if you can see, yeah, you can see the line where the PPF is. They did a pretty good job. It was a full wrap on the whole thing, the last owner. This is a 2018 with just around 50,000 kilometers. Got the carbon fiber spoiler. Yeah, nice car. Black on black. What more can you ask for? All right, you want to feel a little?
Yep.
Ooh. It's fast. It's just like, it's like, so people that haven't been in a P100D or whether it's an X or an S, it does have a very similar feeling to a Model 3 with that torque that you feel when you step on it. It's just way more intense. Most people don't need the intensity that this has. I do, because we like it, and but it's the same feeling, just like I said, just greater intensity. So you're not missing out. You're just missing out on the intensity. And of course, we'll find some people at some lights and just how normal cars operate, and this thing, when it lets loose, it's just insane, or ludicrous, I guess. Okay, we're ready to do a launch here. The road's a little bit wet. There it is. Let's go. Holy shit. Holy shit. The road, it didn't really matter that the road was wet. Did it? I wasn't even holding the steering wheel there. Did you see the steering wheel? It was
I saw it like turn left and right. Now,
yeah.
I was wiggling my feet more.
Yeah. I had to like get a subscription to the chiropractor now that we've got this car. All right, so that was one launch. You can hear the batteries now if you listen. Here goes the next launch.
It like nails you to the seat.
Pretty powerful. Yeah, so, and again, you don't have to launch to have fun in this car. It's still got pretty much the same amount of power, just stomping it at a light. So yeah, let's go troll some cars and see. We'll see if we can troll some cars. I don't know if we will, but we'll try. Hey, look, there's the Audi we wrapped. Here it comes. See it? All right. This is like just normal acceleration compared to like other cars on the street. That's not fast at all. That was like slow. That's like slow, right? Compared to how I normally drive. Would you agree?
Yep.
I wonder how long the footage is that it saved. Like when you want to save dash cam footage,
Yep.
how long? What time frame does it take? 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Like how much does it when you hit save on the screen? I wonder.
Right here.
Is it 5 minutes? It's got to be like 5 or 10. Because like I should research it. I don't know. Does it say it? Okay, ready here. This is just medium. Medium. The cars haven't even made it through the intersection, and I'm already on a different block. That was just medium though. So we did what? Slow acceleration, medium acceleration.
Uh-oh.
Now we'll do just like straight to the floor at the next light. See what happens now. Good thing we're getting all these red lights so we can test this car out. So this is just going to be like I stole it mode. What do you think? Okay. Couple of sewer holes. It's like gone. Look at those cars. They're like, look how far back they are. And yeah, I wanted to add this also to the video, which happened after the driving. The only thing wrong with this car was the headlights. The LED daytime running lights, as you'll see in this photo here, were yellowing. So I booked a service call. The car's still under warranty until next year, full warranty until 80,000 kilometers or September 2022. So I booked the service call to see if they were under warranty, because it's who knows, right? They still work. It's just they have some yellowing, as you saw in the picture there. So service guy came out and yeah, fixed it, no problem, right on the driveway. Here's a few pictures of the Tesla Model S service vehicle and the back of his vehicle. I snooked some photos when he wasn't watching. But overall, it was a good experience, and he did a great job and fixed the lights. So that's, yeah, just in addition to the rest of the video, great service. I did ask I asked the service guy, what are these good cars, the 2018s specifically? Are there, what does he get calls for if for the major things that happen to them? And he said, overall, these cars are great, reliable cars. He used to be a Toyota service tech, the guy. And he said, of course, Toyotas, he thought those were very reliable too. But he said the 7 out of 10 calls were for the door handle paddle gear braking, so when the doors don't present. And that was, like he said, 7 out of 10 calls. I asked him if it was a winter thing, because we get cold winters here, and I'm thinking they're metal gears and they break in the back. And he said, no, it's happens all times of the year. They just go. This one has upgraded door handles, but they still break. So yeah, 7 out of 10 calls were for paddle gears on the Model S. So hope that helps somebody in their decision whether they're looking to buy one or not. But he says, honest opinion, they're pretty reliable. Okay, so as you saw, I didn't really get to troll anybody, but I did do some pullaways. So you can kind of see what a beast this thing is. If you ever get to drive one or take a ride in one, definitely don't miss that opportunity. And yeah, I think if you're looking to buy a Tesla and you want the ultimate speed, obviously this one, it really doesn't have anything over and above what the regular one has. I do prefer the Model S over the Model 3. I'm a sedan guy, so that's why I'm comparing these two. It's just a bigger sedan, and it looks better in my opinion, and it's obviously faster for the most part. Thanks for watching the video, and until next time, I'll see you later.